Check MarkThe-Best 10 robot vacuums. Number 1. Eufy RoboVac 11S Max. The Eufy RoboVac 11S Max is a sleek, powerful robot vacuum designed for efficiency and quiet operation. Its slim profile allows it to clean under most furniture with ease, while the 2000 pascals suction power ensures thorough pickup of dust, dirt, and pet hair on both hard floors and medium pile carpets. Its Boost IQ technology automatically adjusts suction power when extra vacuuming strength is needed, making it a smart solution for maintaining clean floors without manual intervention. Pros. Super thin design fits under most furniture. Strong 2000 pascals suction for efficient cleaning. Quiet operation, barely noticeable. Self-charging, always ready to clean. Cons. Struggles with very high pile carpets. Limited smart home integration. Number 2. iRobot Roomba 692. The iRobot Roomba 692 combines smart technology and effective cleaning in a user-friendly package. Wi-Fi connectivity and compatibility with Alexa allow for easy scheduling and control, while personalized cleaning suggestions improve over time based on usage. Designed for homes with pets, it navigates around your home, cleaning carpets and hard floors with ease, and it docks itself to recharge. Pros. Wi-Fi connectivity and Alexa compatibility. Personalized cleaning recommendations. Good for pet hair and all floor types. Self-charging. Cons. Can get stuck on thick rugs or obstacles. Dustbin fills quickly in pet-heavy homes. Number 3. ZCWA Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. This 2-in-1 ZCWA model offers both vacuuming and mopping capabilities, making it a versatile choice for thorough home cleaning. Wi-Fi and app integration allow for convenient scheduling and control, even when you're away from home. It's designed to tackle hard floors, pet hair, and carpets with equal prowess, adjusting its cleaning mode based on the surface it detects. Pros. Vacuum and mop combo for versatile cleaning. Wi-Fi, app, Alexa enabled for easy control. Ideal for hard floors and pet hair. Self-charging functionality. Cons. Mopping feature may not replace manual mopping for tough stains. Higher price point compared to vacuum-only models. Number 4. iRobot Roomba J7, 7150, The Roomba J7, 7150, is a high-tech robot vacuum that prioritizes smart navigation and obstacle avoidance, identifying and steering clear of common household items like pet waste and cords. Its smart mapping feature allows for customized cleaning jobs, and it works with Alexa for voice-controlled convenience. Perfect for homes with pets, it captures a high amount of pet hair and debris on both carpets and hard floors. Pros. Advanced obstacle avoidance technology. Smart mapping for customized cleaning. Excellent for pet hair and all floor types. Wi-Fi and Alexa compatible. Cons. Premium price for advanced features. Can struggle with dark-colored carpets or floors. Number 5. Shark AV2501 SAI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Shark's AV2501 SAI Ultra brings innovation with its Matrix Clean technology, ensuring thorough coverage and cleaning on all surfaces. It features home mapping for efficient navigation in a self-empty base with a 30-day capacity, reducing manual intervention. Its performance on pet hair and various floor types, combined with Wi-Fi connectivity, makes it a powerful and convenient choice for keeping your home clean. Pros. Matrix Clean technology for thorough cleaning. Home mapping for efficient navigation. Large capacity self-empty base. Excellent for pet hair and all floor types. Cons. Bulkier base unit requires more space. Higher initial investment for advanced features. Here's a structured review format for each robot vacuum model listed, with simple language for easy understanding. Number 6. Eufy RoboVac 11S Max. The Eufy RoboVac 11S Max is known for its slim design and powerful suction, making it perfect for cleaning under furniture and removing dirt from medium pile carpets and hard floors. It operates quietly and automatically returns to its charging base when it needs to recharge, ensuring it's always ready for a cleaning session. Pros. Super thin design fits under most furniture. 2000 pascals suction power for effective cleaning. Quiet operation. Cons. Not as advanced in smart features as some competitors. Limited to medium pile carpets in performance. Number 7. iRobot Roomba 692. The iRobot Roomba 692 stands out with its Wi-Fi connectivity and personalized cleaning recommendations. It's designed to work with Alexa for voice-controlled convenience and is suitable for homes with pets. The Roomba 692 can navigate around furniture and over different floor types, making it a versatile cleaner. Pros. Personalized cleaning recommendations improve over time. Works with Alexa for easy voice commands. Good for pet hair and carpets. Cons. Battery life may not support large areas in one go. Can struggle with very thick carpets. Number 8. ZCWA Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. This 2-in-1 device not only vacuums but also mops floors, offering comprehensive cleaning. With Wi-Fi connectivity, app and Alexa support, scheduling cleanings becomes a breeze. It's ideal for hard floors, pet hair, and carpets, making it a versatile choice for any home. Pros. Vacuum and mop combo for thorough cleaning. Supports app and voice control for convenience. Great for pet hair. Cons. Higher price point. Mopping feature may not replace a dedicated mop on very dirty floors. Number 9. iRobot Roomba J7, 7150. The Roomba J7, 7150, is designed with pet owners in mind, featuring obstacle avoidance technology to prevent it from getting stuck on pet waste and cords. Smart mapping allows for customized cleaning jobs, and it works with Alexa for easy control. Pros. Avoids obstacles like pet waste and cords effectively. Smart mapping for customized cleaning. Ideal for pet hair and all floor types. Cons. Pricier than some other models. Some users may find the app setup complex. Number 10. Shark AV2501 SAI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Featuring advanced AI technology, the Shark AV2501S offers precise home mapping and powerful cleaning on both carpets and hard floors. It has a self-empty base with a 30-day capacity, reducing manual intervention. Pros. Advanced navigation and mapping. Self-empty base holds up to 30 days of dirt. Excellent for pet hair and all floor types. Cons. Higher price point compared to some models. Larger base unit requires more storage space. These overviews provide a starting point for anyone considering a robot vacuum, highlighting key features, benefits, and potential drawbacks to help make an informed decision.